Pliers are designed in different ways for different jobs. Using the correct design for the job at hand can be important for a safe and quality result. Never overtax pliers. When using diagonal snips, be aware of where the cut-off material will go. It may fly across the room. End cutters have cutting blades aligned perpendicular to the handles in order to bite into something flush to a surface. Needle nose pliers are great for grasping small material. Combination pliers have both gripping teeth and a cutting jaw. Channel lock pliers have a gripping jaw that have an adjustable fulcrum point to make the jaws open wider or close narrower. Channel lock pliers can strip nuts and bolts. If the tightening of a nut or bolt is mission critical, you should use box wrenches or an adjustable C-wrench. Bolt cutters are meant to cut hardened steel or large steel rod. The jaws in most pliers are not meant to cut hardened steel. Make sure you are using the proper cutting tools for the job you are doing. Vice grips are pliers that have a locking jaw. These are good for holding tightly onto material while performing other tasks.